How to pair the Fort Smart Wi-Fi thermostat. First, open the ClickSmart Plus app onto the home screen and tap the Add Device button. Or if you already have devices connected, tap Add Devices in the top right hand corner. Make your way to the ESP tab and select the Smart Wi-Fi thermostat. Connect the app to the same network as your device and follow the instructions. Install the receiver following the printed instructions in the box. Then follow the on-screen instructions in easy mode to pair it. The Fort Thermostat receiver will register to the app and network and initialize. Once your Fort Thermostat is paired, you can rename it to customize your setup. If you're having issues connecting with the receiver, try the alternative AP mode and follow the on-screen instructions. Your Fort Smart Wi-Fi thermostat is now ready to go. You can follow the written instructions and on-screen prompts to operate the thermostat. You can also schedule programs and operate the thermostat through the app while you're away from home. All Fort Smart Security products are compatible with Alexa and Google devices.